Hi, this is the third experiment of this use case diagram. Sorry, case diagram. In this is the heading of the sequence diagram. In this the explanations about the sequence diagram. In this the sequence diagram is demonstrate the behavior of the object and in use case by describing the object and the message by passes. The diagram is read to left, to right and descending. The example is shown in bigger for us. In this it will we can use the object. In the object, what is the object is? The object is an instance of class and arranged in horizontal. The pictorial representations of the object is a class. So this is the class of this one. We can use the object like this in sequence diagram, like an ascending order. So we can use in actor also. In actor they communicate with the object and they listed a column. An actor is modeled using the symbol representations of above. And this the lifeline. So in this lifeline, the lifeline should be traveled from one source to another with the help of the dotted lines. And the activation bar is modeled as a rectangular box of lifeline, indicates the object is performing an actions. For message, this message is used for communicating the one object to another another server. This side is called as a message. The scenario of the applications now I show from this. So this is the scenario of this one. So this is the user. In this user we can collect the authentication first. In this authentication there is a username, password. If it is right, it will go for the server. The authentication is failure, it will again use for the reservation systems. So if it is all works, authentication is right, it will go for the service and the user will book the tickets. It will shows like this, and the user will booking the tickets and the details are one by one. For name, source and destinations, it will go for the main server of this one, and it will booking the tickets and check for availabilities. If it is there, the payment it will show to the user, and the user will enter the payment of the details and the bank name of that one. So it will go for directly for Paytm to the bank server. It will give the authentication code. The user will give the username and the password of the bank server. If it is correct, it will shows the one-time password, that is OTP. The OTP also is correct, then the payment is successfully done. Then the payment is done, and it's go for the printing tickets. If printing tickets it's all confirmed, it will successfully booked. So then lockout. This is the one used for the use case sequence diagram.